What up, blockheads? I am doing a mail run today, so just going to pick up the mail. No real subject this time around, man. I feel like my last couple of videos have definitely been obviously very subject oriented, so this time around, man, I'm just gonna take it easy. I'm just gonna ride to the damn post office, and whatever we see, I guess. It's been a while since I've been on the bike. Miss Block and I have been sick. Sucks, man. Like, everybody's getting it, and tried our damnedest to not get sick, you know, like making sure that you're like wiping down surfaces and washing your hands, not rubbing your eyes, and you know, all that stuff you do to avoid getting sick. But regardless, we still got sick, which yeah, man, takes it out of you. Like, even right now I'm not 100%. I actually debated even riding, because you know, you're not supposed to ride whenever you're not feeling like one hundo, but it's just been so long. It's been so long since I've rode. Probably should have reacclimated myself with Cruiser, since it's an easier bike to ride. But you know, I wanted to get on the CBR. I haven't actually done like a daytime ride with my new helmet, and this bike is the whole reason I got the new helmet. I tell you, man, it is much better. So we actually had a ride plan this weekend. We're going to be bringing some awareness to the incoming FXR/Dyna Day that's happening at Ace Cafe. If you guys aren't aware of that, there are a bunch of sponsors associated with it. It's going to be at Ace Cafe Orlando. It's being put on by Hot Bike Mag Southeast, the Iron Lilies, Performance Harley. We're actually sponsoring the event as well, which is pretty cool. So yeah, it's a really cool opportunity. I mean, first time I've ever sponsored an event. It's just cool to be even considered for that, you know. It's like, I don't know, man, putting on this event with these really cool other groups and businesses. It's like, hell yeah. I'll drop the link for that below, so if you guys are interested in coming, it's going to be on March 10th. I'm so damn spoiled, dude. One of the things I'm going to pick up right now are these helmet latches that I order for my helmets, right? And so since, you know, I'm wearing this new showy helmet, the RF1200, I ordered these latches. They're basically like these buckles so that you don't have to use the D-rings. So putting your helmet on, you can do it with your gloves. And it's so much faster. I've had them on all my helmets previously. Actually, whenever I showed them, a lot of the blockheads started using them as well. And dude, they're just so nice. Come on, bro, really? Dude, this helmet is so freaking nice. So much less wind noise. Yeah, dude, this thing is awesome. And like, I feel like it's more aerodynamic than my last one. Although my last one, I did have a mohawk on it, so maybe that's why there was like some resistance from the mohawk. Yeah, I debated putting the mohawk on this one, but I don't know, man. I guess a couple of the blockheads were like, no mohawk this time around. They talked to Miss Block, and they were like, actually we were out to eat, and they were talking to Miss Block, and they were like, so he's not doing a mohawk on this one, right? Like, they waited till I went to the restroom. Y'all little shits. Trying to like plant the seed with her or something. What the hell? But yeah, no mohawk. I don't know, I just kind of, I like the way it looks. It's like much more clean. I like the mohawk in terms of like visibility at night. Man, it's amazing. But yeah, in terms of like aerodynamics, it's much nicer without the mohawk. I can feel a big difference, especially like when I turn my head. Having that mohawk on there, man, you turn your head, it's like kind of pulls it a little bit. It's like you turn, it's like pulls to the side. Is there nobody in that car? Post officina. I feel like I should make a song about the post office. A little a post office jingle, just like my my blinker. The blinker song. Man, who would have thought the damn blinker song would stick like it did? It sucks because now whenever I forget about the blinker, other people sing it to me. It's like, no, you're not allowed to do that. I made up that song. Just kidding, they're allowed to do that. That's the fun of it. Damn blinker song. Alright, let's check some mail. See what we got. Yo. Yep. Oh no, that is... What the hell is that? Alright, I got lucky. That big box that I got, I was able to unpackage it and take out all the stuff and repackage it into my backpack, and it barely fit. It is like busting at the seams right now. But made it work. So now I get to take it back home, drop it off, and I was going to get some food to go and put it in my bag, but I don't have any room now. Now you guys are wondering what that package is. It is from an incoming featured video from a sponsor. So that's some pretty cool stuff. Holy shit. Is that twice today? 3 times? Yeah, motorcycles aren't the best thing to, you know, go pick up mail with if you're expecting, especially like a decent amount of mail, so wouldn't recommend it. Can I jump in? I'm gonna jump in. Ah, damn, I'm hungry. It's like almost 3 o'clock, I haven't eaten lunch. I had like a couple of meatballs for breakfast. Meatballs for breakfast? That's right. I had terrible for you meatballs for breakfast. We got them at Publix, you know, buy one get one. These already like pre-done meatballs, and heated them up in the microwave because I'm trying not to eat as many like carbs and stuff because my body is processing carbs weird. Possibly, I don't know. We might have a conflict with sugar. We'll see. So I'm trying to stay away from like sugars and carbs. Partially part of the reason I've been feeling not so well, I think. We'll see. I gotta go to the doctor and all that fun crap that you have to do as you get older. You guys know what I'm saying, right? So funny, man, like taking off that fast off the line, like how far everybody else is back there. Not even pushing the bike, dude. Like I got that, what's it, maybe 8,000 RPMs? Banana. I'm a banana, I'm a banana, I'm a banana. Whereas I do have to go pick up one other package, but I'm probably going to swing back by the garage before I do that because I got no more room in this damn backpack. Alright. This big old Ford Super Duty. Pulled out and then sped up. I didn't think he was going to get up to speed, but he did. Must be one of those turbo versions. It's a big old truck, man. It's funny, I had some friends from Italy came over like years and years ago, and they were just amazed at how many like big trucks there were around. They said like you can't really have that stuff over in Italy unless you live on like a farm or something, which makes sense. I don't know, anytime I've ever seen like Italian streets like on television and stuff, on a TV show or whatever, they always look tiny. It's like, hell no, you couldn't have a truck over there. Shuttered. Yeah, when I ride by myself, I ride like a douche sometimes. You know, it's in my bike's blood. Kind of does what it wants every now and then. You know what I'm saying? Is there a hair in my mouth? Ah, there is a hair in my mouth. Damn it! It's one of those sucky things about full-face helmets, man. You put on like, you can't like get anything out of your mouth, or like if your nose, like if you got something tickling your nose, it's really hard to get to it too. One of the minimal downsides. The upsides are, you know, protection. Well, hey, what you guys think about that? That random one. No subject. Man, this side of the house looks rough. Been paying attention to houses and stuff lately because probably more than likely getting ready to buy one. I currently rent, which is all good and well if you want to be able to like pick up and leave and all this stuff, but I'm not leaving Orlando, man. We ain't going anywhere, and I'm tired of pissing away my money. It's basically renting is paying somebody else's mortgage, so the amount of money that I'm spending between the place that I live right now and the garage that I use, I could pretty much own like a really nice house and easily make the pay. It'd actually be cheaper for me to have a house and pay a mortgage than it would for me to continue to rent. So Miss Block and I are gonna grow up and we're gonna adult a little bit. Start looking for houses, maybe get a real estate, what do you call it, like a real estate agent or real estate broker, or those people that show you houses. Is it a broker? No. Agent? Yeah, I think it's a real estate agent, right? Yeah, we got some friends who know this guy who's apparently awesome. We'll probably reach out here soon and start looking in different areas. I like the area that I live right now, though. It's not too far away from the major roads and stuff, so anywhere you want to go is pretty quick. Just super nice. Anyways, random video. Maybe I'll call this one Random Rides. No UFO clickbait stuff this time around since it's not at night. Can't believe you guys believe that whole UFO BS. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon while you're over there so it sends you notifications for future uploads and activity. If you guys want some behind the scenes access, check out the link below to Patreon. Link is patreon.com/Blockhead Moto. Post up photos and videos over there that I don't post up anywhere else. So, a little behind the scenes. I'm not going to be able to speed up in Deuces, so if you guys can't see all this traffic in front of me, today's a Friday in Orlando and a Friday afternoon, so that means traffic equals suck. You guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.